In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Shopify App Development API key. This process might seem a bit technical if you're new to the Shopify ecosystem, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to ensure that you can easily navigate your way to obtaining your API key. Once you have this key, you'll be able to start developing or integrating with Shopify's powerful platform. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main operations hub when working on your Shopify store. Now, look towards the bottom left of the screen. You'll find the Settings option there. Give it a click. The Settings section of your Shopify dashboard is where you control many aspects of your store, from payment gateways to legal information, so it's great to become familiar with this area. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, we want to click on Apps and Sales Channels. This area deals with all the applications that integrate with your store, enhancing its functionalities, and it's also where we can handle app-related settings. Once you're in this section, find the option that allows you to create a legacy custom app. This option is specifically for app developers and provides you a lot of flexibility in terms of customization and control over your store functions. When you click on Create a Legacy Custom App, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your app. This can be anything that makes sense for your store or the functionality you're looking to implement. Once you've entered a name that you're satisfied with, click on the Create button. Creating an app in this way allows you to explore Shopify's extensive API offerings safely and effectively. After your app is created, navigate to the API Credentials tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find the API key you've been looking for. It's essential to note that this key acts like a password. It gives access to your app, so keep it confidential and stored in a secure place. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to obtain your Shopify App Development API key. Remember, this key is your ticket to building custom integrations that can take your Shopify store to the next level, so handle it with care. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and happy developing.